Hi guys, how are you doing? I have another Tiny Tidy Tuesday for you, and in this video I am cleaning and decluttering and reorganizing my spice cabinet. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle and this is my everyday wife life. Okay, and before I can do some deep cleaning and organizing and decluttering, I need to clean up the kitchen, so let's do that. In case you're new here for the fall this year and the fall season, I am concentrating on my zone 3, which is my kitchen, my breakfast nook, the family room, and the guest bathroom. So I am deep cleaning and decluttering and reorganizing that for the fall season. And guess what? It is not winter yet. You wouldn't know it by going on YouTube. Actually, winter doesn't start until December 20th, so I believe. So I will be still continuing to work in zone 3 and doing all the deep cleaning and decluttering and organizing in this area, mainly concentrating on the kitchen, which I have been doing mostly on Tidy Tuesday, but I skipped out on you last week. But hopefully I make up for it this week. So don't forget to hydrate. I have been forgetting to hydrate, so I'm going to make myself some ice water in my Bubba mug. Earlier this fall, I think probably at the beginning of October, I said that I wanted to clean out the pantry, reorganize it, and the oven. Well, before Thanksgiving. Well, that didn't happen. And guess what? It's not happening today. I will try to make that a goal to finish that before Christmas. And before I finish my zone deep cleaning, reorganizing, cleaning in this zone, then I will do that. But I'm do the spice cabinet today. It just needs a little zhuzhing. It's not that bad. I do end up keeping up with it quite a bit. And it just needs a little zhuzhing. And I'm going to get my handy dandy step stool. New step stool I bought because it has nice rubber bottoms on it. My other one didn't. And when you're over the age of 45, you want to make sure you don't fall off the ladder. So yeah, I bought a new ladder so I can stand on it safely. So I'm just looking at everything I have. I have olive oil up the top, extra backup spices, and a chopper, and handy dandy mixer, chopper, food processor thing that I use to grate cheese with. So I'm just taking inventory of what I have and see what possibly I can get rid of. And don't forget, Tiny Tidy Tuesday is put together by Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. So when you're done watching my video, you're going to want to click the playlist and watch everyone else's video and get some more motivation. And let me know in the comments below what you tiny tidied today. Alright. Do I want to get rid of these? Look, it's crusted over. I don't even... Is there an expiration date? No. Not until August. December 2023. I guess I'm going to try to use those up. Alright, so I got these off of Amazon a couple years ago. If I had to do it over, I would buy the bigger ones. I really like the ones that I saw recently from Bits of Brie, right? I forget her channel name. She's in the Tiny Tuesday collab. Anyways, they were like bigger than this, I think, in little mason jar with the hinge, and then there was a spot to put the spoon. So I got these spoons separately. See, this was what happened. I bought this during a bout of depression, and then several of them broke, and then I didn't return it because that's what happens. And I also bought these spoons, but guess what? They don't fit. Well, let's see. Hey. Nope. See, they don't fit. They don't squish down. I don't think I could squish, far enough to put a spoon in there. So, the spoons are ending up here. Anyway, I'm going to take... So, this is all my backup. I don't know if I have any empty ones. Anyway, I'd rather have a bigger thing because, like, for one, the garlic and herb, I use a lot of that, so I need a bigger thing, but yeah, it's not exactly working out. What do I have here? I have Italian. These are extra labels. Do I have Italian? Yeah, look, that's full. So this is Italian seasoning. Smoke. You know, I'm never going to use that. Why am I keeping that? This is black and red fish. I probably won't ever use that. This is fajita seasoning, which I don't even know how old that is. So that's a no. This is bay leaves. Old Bay spice. Backup Italian seasoning. I don't know how old that is either. Let's start fresh. I do stay on top of this quite a bit. So this is chili powder. I think I have a container of that. This is steak seasoning. I don't know if I need to refill it. Let's see if we can do that. And then ground cumin. Yeah. And then here I have my handy dandy chopper, which I grate my cheese in it once a week. I grate the cheese in it and have the cheese for the week. So much better than buying the shredded cheese, and it doesn't have any added crap in it. And then this is my handy chopper, which I really like this, but it's a pain in the butt to clean. So I haven't been using this lately. And I have all my measuring cups and spoons hung on here because, one, it doesn't take up drawer space, and it's actually super duper handy. So you just have to make sure when you put the command hooks, you're putting them in the right place so that they're not hitting anything. So that, and at the top I have coconut oil, olive oil, and then this is red wine vinegar. Red wine vinegar. And then this is stuff for making, you know, mulling spice. What am I doing with that? I could make, what do you call it? I'm saving it for the stovetop thing in the chicky. Toothpicks. These are toothpicks. So extra toothpicks, salt, which I kind of don't use this anymore. I use Himalayan salt, and I need to buy some Celtic salt. Look that up. I couldn't tell you it's exactly the reasoning, but it's supposed to be better for you. So I'm just going to put that there. I do need to, do I need to wipe? Yeah, it feels, is my hand greasy or is the shelf greasy? So, I'm trying to figure out how to film this because it's hard to get a camera in here. And that is already full. The dispenser for the olive oil. I should just put it here because this is what I end up doing. Using this up and then, I don't know. Nah, I don't know. I'm going to take all this out, I guess. Okay, so this says taco seasoning. It's actually chili powder. What did I do with the chili powder? It's somewhere here. That's cumin. Can I get more cumin in? Yes, and so then I can get rid of that. I thought I had chili powder. Didn't I? I didn't take it. Where did, oh, is it here? Anyway, yes. I don't think, will that fit in there? Yes, so I can refill that. This I bought up. I don't really like it that much, but I feel like I should use it up. So this is salt, Himalayan salt, which I don't have any. It's in here. I put my Himalayan salt in there. There's nothing in there. I guess pepper. I have peppercorns. Why do I have that on there? I should refill that. Yeah. these need to be washed. This is all recycled. I'm going to dump these out because these have been in there forever. I don't know why I was saving them. And I'm going to put the Italian up here. That's my overflow. So when I did this, I wanted to, when I redid this for the umpteenth time, how many times, I had the little stack, the little, what do you call it, tiered, it's not a tray, step or thing, bamboo, and it just didn't work for me because I wanted to see everything at a glance. And I had a ton of spices and I didn't use them, so this is everything that I use. There are some that I don't use as frequently. So cumin, taco seasoning, which is actually chili powder, and paprika, those all kind of go together. Adobo, I bought that to make adobo chicken. I haven't yet. Curry powder, black pepper. That says black pepper, but it's actually peppercorns in there because I had the room to put in there. I kind of don't buy black pepper anymore. I'm always using the grinder thing. Italian seasoning, lemon pepper, salt. I'll put Himalayan salt in there. I don't know if I really need to do that. So that's empty because there's enough room in here. Usually buy the bag, so maybe. So lemon pepper. This doesn't have a label because the labels that this came with doesn't say garlic salt seasoning. So I know that that's garlic salt seasoning. This is sage steak seasoning. There's a little bit of steak seasoning here, so I don't like that. Doesn't match, but I'm just gonna leave it for now. And then this is everything with the bagel seasoning. This is a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning. They didn't have two labels for that, so I know what that is. And then these are the ones that I bought that I kind of don't really use. We'll see. The next time I go through it, I'll see. And then there's some garlic and herb that I definitely, did I say that? That's garlic and herb that I definitely use a lot. So that's hiding behind there because I'll have to refill this. And this is purely decorative. And then I have my toothpicks here. And I need to put that up here. I definitely like that I can see everything at a glance. Again, I just wish those were a little bit bigger. And I'm going to put... Maybe I should pull this to the front so I can see it. Again, that's toothpicks, salt. I'll use that for simmering pot. That's the word I was looking for. And again, coconut oil and olive oil, my backups for that. So, I don't know. It doesn't feel like... All right, I'll wipe it down, I guess. Or not. I refilled the pepper mill. And I cleaned all this up the other day. This is probably about once a month needs refilled. I need to make a list. I need more Himalayan salt. There's really nothing in there, just some recipe cards. Garlic is in here. This is a garlic shed I got off of Amazon. This was from a trip to Utah, these little measuring cups. And I was keeping pepper, already ground pepper in here, but I end up using that. And then this is nothing in there. I used to have lemon pepper, but I don't use the lemon pepper as much as I used to. So if I think it's something to put in there, I will. And recycle all this. And then I'm going to have to dump that out and wash those later. I need to take a break. I got other stuff to do. Okay, so I didn't get to the pantry or the oven, but I did empty this. In my craft room, there was yarn in it. So now when I get to the when I get to the pantry, I can try to utilize it in here, and it's a mess, as you saw. I suppose I could just real quick put a few things in here, like the juice. Okay, and when I get to this, stuff will be in here that we use all the time, which is this. Hubby's coffee sticks. And I saw this trick on Frugal Fit Mom, I believe. She just ripped the tops off of here for all your snack things, moms. Don't bother to put them in the thing, just rip the tops off, because for one, like these definitely are very delicate, and if I just put them in here loose, they will get all crumbly from people rifling through that with their hands and stuff. So those are hubby's coffee sticks. I wonder if I could put it this way. I don't know, I'll figure that out when the time comes. I would like to put my handy dandy stool in there, but maybe this is more important right now. And if I didn't mention it earlier, this has become a mess because I knew I was going to redo it. So I just been throwing stuff in here and not putting it away correctly where it belongs and stuff. And that basket's hanging down. And I need to take that basket down so I can use that for Thanksgiving. And yeah, and I saw these on the floor. So I'm going to go put it over here, because after I'm done editing this video, I'm going to start doing my Thanksgiving prep. I already got some of the stuff out here that's going to go to the park. And I'll be using the empty bins in the garage to put this stuff in to transport it to the park. All right, that's it, guys. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. If I have time, I will do a Thanksgiving prep video and do a little bit of Thanksgiving Day and post it on Friday. Okay, I have a little behind the scenes bonus footage for you. So last week I didn't post a video. I don't remember if it was last week or the last couple of weeks, but I did do some more drawers in the kitchen, and I just didn't film it because I didn't think it was film worthy. I did buy one of these things at Costco when I went with my niece recently. It was only $17.99. I've been wanting one of these forever, but they were like $50. It was only $17.99. So I did reorganize some drawers. Like I said, it really wasn't film worthy. I just cleaned it out real quick and reorganized it and wiped down the drawers. Moved some things around. The drawer dividers I took out where the Ziploc bag organizer was, and went ahead and reused them in some other drawers. So I'm just showing you some before and after, and I'm always reshuffling things around and reusing them in other areas because I just think of a better way to use them and put them in a different place and organize things better. And I cleaned out the car too because we went to Disney on the 1st of November, and so hubby wanted me to clean out the truck, so I did that too. New to my channel, I'd love to have you click my face right there and subscribe, and click the playlist right here. I will put it here in the end screen so you have no excuse not to watch the whole playlist. Till next time, guys, enjoy your day.